after the whole Karachi Inn fiasco, the boy now has a room, thanks to Hamza and Edisham. Edisham's friend sort of like has some connections with this place, so that's nice. It's like 3,000, 4,000 a night. It's like 10, 11 pounds, something along that area. No, I don't think it's been finalised, and I'll pay probably later. So I haven't fully moved in. I've still got some stuff back at Edisham's house, which was really nice of them to let us stay there. And yeah, it's a chill little room. I'll just show you here. So we've got a nice big double bed. We have a fan, and the most important thing is that there's some air conditioning. If I look a little bit red, it's because it's roasting hot outside, so I'm going to chill a little bit while it's middle of the day, while it's really hot. Bathroom. So the problem with the Karachi Inn, I didn't get on footage unfortunately, but it was that it had just a squatting toilet. Now this one does have a squatting toilet, so you know you can avoid those hemorrhoids. But we have just got a normal toilet, squatting toilet, and there's the shower. So it's sort of like a wet room, very humid, sink, mirror, hello, and little view outside. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Got I'll just shut that so it doesn't get too humid in the main room. So there we've got a little chair, mirror, little wardrobe, television, and Omar, the guy who runs the place, just brought me a nice cold bottle of water. Can't be drinking that tap water. I'll not go too well with my constitution. So yeah, really good. I'm really happy with the place, and for the price, you can't complain. So we have here as well, little so we can turn that fan on. That'll be nice at night, really. Especially with the humidity, just keeps things keeps the airflow and keeps it off you, right? Top quality electronics, no problem. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the place. I mean, you can't complain for the price. And all I mean, I'm not going to be here too much just for sleeping, really, and I guess in the middle of the day when it's really, really hot. But yeah, can't complain. It's in a good location. Looks a lot safer because the last place in the Great Road we had like some wild dogs outside. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Good morning, everyone. It's second day in Karachi. I've just woken up. Just had a knock on the door. Breakfast was delivered, so that was very nice. Shall we see what we have for breakfast? Excuse the mess. I've just been sorting out some video stuff. So it looks like we've got a little omelette here. Anyone who knows me knows I'm not really a big fan of omelettes, but hey, I'm not complaining. Some toast and a nice cup of chai. That's the most important bit. That's the best way to start your day, is with the chai, and a little bit of jam for the bread. Should we tuck in and have a little taste? Just a knife, no fork, you see, because I'll have to eat this desi style with my hands. And salt and pepper. Yeah. Toast. Well, we'll start with the omelette. She looks not too bad. I don't usually like omelettes, but this has some vegetables in it, so smells pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. It's a little spicy, which makes it a lot easier for your stomach. I'm not usually big on omelettes. Probably said that about 4 times now, but a little spicy, well seasoned. The vegetables still have a little bit of crunch. It's not like all soft. A little texture there. Pretty good. Toast is toast, so. It's like toast. Actually, it tastes more like fried bread. I think it's been fried. It's really good. My bread's actually pretty good, yeah. Pretty good. And then the almighty chai. Oh, perfection. You can't get a bad cup of tea in Pakistan. Unbelievable. Really, really nice. Absolutely fantastic. Well, yeah, that's, I guess, maybe that's a typical Pakistani breakfast for you. Some eggs, a little bit of bread and a cup of tea. Pretty good in my book. Give you a little close up there just so you can see everything. So you can see we've got sort of a little bit of carrot, some green in there, toast, and the almighty chai. Well, signing off for now. And that's what you can get for £11 a night in Karachi. Pretty good room in my opinion. I mean, what more do you want? Alright.